and tips we trust.
Yo, it's HTTP, let me break it down. The protocol king, wearing the crown. Hypertext transfer, you know the drill. Delivering data with a browser's thrill. Started back in '91, Tim Bieler's creation. The World Wide Web's foundation sensation. Request and response, that's the game we play. Packets on the wire going every which way. Get me the goods, post is what you need. Put for the update, delete to succeed. State list vibes, yeah, it don't remember unless you bring cookies or a session ember. HTTP, it's the data stream, making websites run like a dream. From the client to the server, the pipes stay clean. HTTP, it's the cyber king. Port 80 for the OG ride, 443 when TLS applied. Clear text days, they're in the past. HTTPS got security amassed. Headers up front, payload in the back. Content type telling you the pack's exact. 200 OK, that's the vibe we need. 404, oops, can't fulfill that deed. Redirect smooth, 301 or 302. Caching saves time, yeah, it's how we do. From RESTful APIs to WebSocket schemes. HTTP connects your wildest themes. HTTP, it's the data stream, making websites run like a dream. From the client to the server, the pipes stay clean. HTTP, it's the cyber king. URL pass domain in sight. DNS resolves to the IP right. Requests hit the server, responses fly back. Keep alive connections for the non-stop stack. Middleware magic, restful delight. APIs rocking with endpoints tight. Version 1.1, then 2 came through. HTTP 3 now with quick, it's new. So next time you browse, take a little pause. Give it up for HTTP and its cause. It's the silent hero in the background scene, making sure the internet's smooth and clean. HTTP, that's how we be, running this web world eternally free.
Hello! Let's put some actual music on. There we go. Hopefully you can hear that. Welcome, welcome, welcome! Can everyone hear me okay? Is the mic good? I can move it closer. I'm trying like various new mic setups, to be honest with you. Maybe a little bit higher. Agent 57, thank you for the resubscription. Sounds good? Excellent. How's everybody? How was everybody's weekend? Get up to anything good? Yes, no. So, I was thinking we have the giveaway every 10 subs thing, and thank you the loser who could for the Prime sub. Too much spicy food. Uh-oh, that's not good. Exam struggle? That sucks. What exams? I was thinking we have to the giveaway every 10 subs. Obviously, we don't want to change that, but do you think we should set a greater sub goal? Like we can still do that every 10. But do you think maybe we should set some kind of thing? Like, I feel like 200 subs is a decent goal. Currently I've got 125. Like, I feel like 200 subs isn't that bad of a goal from 125. And then we do something cool. I don't know what we're gonna do though. Like we gotta come up with an idea as a community. What would a 200 sub goal look like? Give me ideas in chat. These are only Twitch subs, by the way. If you're watching, Mankini, God, please don't make me. If you're not on Twitch, obviously I stream on 4 platforms. I stream on Twitch, I stream on LinkedIn, YouTube, and X. I will stream on X for as long as it makes sense to stream on X, to be honest with you. I'm not sure if I'll renew my premium subscription when I've got until June or something. Thank you for the Prime sub, B Blanco. And we started a hype train. Nice. Hello, Karaman. Yeah, so I stream on 4 platforms, mostly for reach, because I understand not everybody wants to go on Twitch. Not everybody understands Twitch. However, as I say, Twitch is honestly the best streaming platform. There's a reason why basically all the streamers who got massive YouTube contracts suddenly all came back to Twitch. It's because YouTube's streaming platform makes no sense. Like, I understand you can stream on YouTube. You can't discover people on YouTube. I feel like there's how do you go and discover streaming people on YouTube? It's really confusing. I don't know how you do it. The only people I ever find on YouTube are because I've already subscribed to their channels, which is a terrible, terrible thing. YouTube doesn't have a concept of a raid system. You can't raid channels as far as I'm aware. Twitch is honestly just the best. X is just, because sometimes you'll get people who scroll past watching your videos. That's fine. LinkedIn I honestly just do because LinkedIn is my second biggest following after X. So yeah, for some reason I'm massive on X and LinkedIn, and I don't really know why. Anyway, so Twitch I always recommend. I have most ads disabled on Twitch. I basically have turned off as many ads as I can on Twitch. When I was when I had ads enabled, I honestly wasn't earning that much from ads anyway, so it was fine. It was maybe $30 a month I was earning on ads, and I was like, you know what? It makes more sense to just disable ads as much. So there are ads when you start watching the stream if you're not subscribed, as far as I'm aware, and I can't stop those. Those are just They just they have to be there. But every other ad is disabled on Twitch. Same as YouTube, same as X, same as LinkedIn. However, Twitch just has a much better streaming experience for me. Like I love watching streams on Twitch. I still watch streams. I love the fact you can raid people. I love the fact that you get custom emotes when you subscribe. You know, I think like the general system of being able to discover people is much better. So, as I say, I will continue streaming on multiple platforms because if people really, really, really want to watch me on YouTube, that is fine. However, I definitely encourage you to come over to Twitch because Twitch is far more fun. Most of my commenters on the streams are on Twitch. So anyway, X is dying. Most have fled to Blue Sky. I don't think X is dying necessarily, but I do like Blue Sky. Blue Sky, I have a drop-down list on my bookmarks toolbar of all the social networks that I'm on because I'm a content creator. I kind of have to be on all the social networks. Blue Sky is at the top right now because it honestly is my favorite. I just like how it reminds me of old Twitter. But yeah. Thanks for doing the YouTube stream. Absolutely. Like I said, I'll do the YouTube streams. I don't mind. Also, it's actually kind of nice though that I stream to YouTube because I have the added benefit of, unlike Twitch, which saves my streams for like 60 days, they automatically just get saved on YouTube forever. So that's kind of nice. So if you ever miss a stream on Twitch and it's not available to watch, you can just go to my YouTube channel. Speaking of my YouTube channel, I was featured in a David Bomble video over the weekend. That dropped unexpectedly. I was expecting it in December at some point. It might have been postponed to January, but that was a nice surprise. I think it was yesterday, right? Yeah, yesterday. So, David Bomble, if you don't know, is a tech YouTuber. I think he has like 2.7 million subscribers on YouTube. Anyway, yeah, he invited me to be on his show and demo some XXE vulnerabilities. He was like, "Do you have anything to demo?" And I'm like a tool or anything? I'm like, I thought about Auto Recon, but like Auto Recon's so old, it's just bleh. And I thought, well, I've got Dynamic DTD, and that's an actually useful tool for web app pen testing. So yeah, I figured I'd demo that, but also I would demo some XXE, and that sort of sent me on like an adventure, because I was like, well, if I want to demo XXE, I need to find a system where I can actually demo it. Like I need to, and I could have taken the easy route and gone with Portswigger's Web Academy because they have some XXE labs, but I was like, that's kind of, I don't really want to do that. So I started searching around for, okay, are there any XXE labs that I can just deploy as a Docker container? And I found some, and I tried deploying them as a Docker container, and they all just didn't work. Like, so many errors. Like, all of them. They were either just using outdated stuff, it just didn't work anymore. It was just, I was like, oh, so frustrating. So I was like, okay, I've got access to ChatGPT. I wonder if me and ChatGPT could build some modern XXE labs. So I did. I used ChatGPT for mostly just the structure, like, because I wanted to do it in Java, like Tomcat. There's a reason for that. If you watch the video, you'll understand why I wanted to do it in Java. But I wanted to make it Dockerized. I wanted you to just be able to download it and use Docker. I think it was Docker Run or Docker Up or whatever, and like compile it and run it, and it would just work like out the box. So it should. There's a GitHub for it now. Maybe I should post the GitHub link. But there's 3 demos contained in the GitHub. Let me paste. All right, that should appear on at least Twitch and YouTube. So yeah, it's you need to install Maven, and you need to have Docker Compose. So that's the only requirements, really. Maven is pretty simple to install. But yeah, I think they work quite nicely. They're like modern web applications, so they're using Tomcat. They are using templates properly. That's why Docker containers suck. I don't think Docker containers suck at all. I like that. I like the fact that you can just deploy stuff. Like you don't have to configure Tomcat. It does it all for you. So there we go. Waiting for Tiberius featuring IPSec would be amazing. I could interview IPSec. I know IPSec. I know IPSec. He's actually talked about me on his channel once before because I helped him with an SQL injection thing. But yeah, I'm sure I will see him at ShmooCon, so I will talk. Maybe we can collab again. That'd be good. I love David Bomble's shows. He made me get to know you. That's why I'm here. Awesome. That's awesome, man. Thank you for coming along and being part of the stream. Your explanations were on point anyway. I hope so. I did practice a lot. I did write down, like I had everything planned. It was a very planned session, but honestly recording with David is really, really chill. Like he's super chill. So yeah, if you have a chance to demo something for him, I would definitely go for it. He's a super nice guy, and yeah, just made the entire process really, really nice. Can you summarize what we're talking about right here? We're talking about my appearance on David Bomble's channel. So I was on David Bomble's. Actually, maybe I should share my screen. Let me open up YouTube. YouTube.com/@DavidBomble, I think. ShmooCon sounds made up. It's been going on for 20 years. Alright, where do we go? Hang on. Screen. Here we go. This is my video. Go watch it. There's me, look. Oh my god, it's me. That was Runner as well, because I think I mentioned Runner at some point. What's your tag for Blue Sky? That is a good question. Let me find it. I think it's just my name and then Blue Sky Social or whatever, so hang on. Yeah, tiberius.bsky.social. I could get like tiberius.com, I guess. That might work, but there we go. Anyway. Let's see. Yeah, so I'll be going to ShmooCon in January. It is the last Shmoo. My God, I went to the first one last year, and then they were like, I was like, oh, this is a really good con. They were like at the opening ceremony. By the way, this is not the last one, but next year's will be. I'm like, oh. So anyway, hi from Granada, Spain. Hello. Hi from Nigeria. Wow, global audience today. Excellent. Really good explanation on XXE. Thank you. About the XXE demo, can you demonstrate the whole what do you mean, like the whole process? I feel like in the video we went over it quite a lot. But I mean, if you wanted to do something specific, maybe. I think actually the plan for today is to do TryHackMe, and let me just hide my display. I just want to make sure I'm not going to dox the TryHackMe. Okay, I think we're good. I gotta be careful because I'm doing 2 videos for TryHackMe's Advent of Cyber, so they gave me access to the demo room, which is basically just a copy of this, but it has all the days unlocked, and I'm like so fearful I'm accidentally going to like leak it on a live stream. But luckily, I believe I didn't actually use this VM. So anyway, I think that yeah, this is an XXE day. So we'll be doing this today at some point. So maybe we can we'll go over some more XXE there. More of when the dock container isn't maintained and there is an easy fix for whatever issue, but just depends. Yeah, I mean that's what I found with some of the XXE labs that came before mine. But I think what I've done, I think I've specified specific versions of like Tomcat and everything. So as far as I'm aware, it should just quote unquote always work. So yeah. Cactus Con in Phoenix, Arizona in Feb is another good con. I may go not next year but the year after then because I'm moving to Nevada, so that's near Arizona. Oh, it'll be close though anyway. I didn't get the exact part. Okay, yeah, today's lesson should be good. All right. Anyway, yeah, so my first day of TryHackMe is the 12th, which I think is Thursday. Who just followed? Doesn't it? Wait, what? I don't know who just followed. Anyway, somebody just followed. Thank you. Isn't there a con in Nevada every July/August? I mean, yes, it is. Is it not more cold in Nevada? No. No, it's significantly warmer. I mean, at night, maybe not. I don't know. It's the desert, but... Anywho. I see you using Firefox. Can you suggest some useful or safe about config modifications to enhance browser security? I mean, not really. I just use, like, for my regular browsing... I do use Firefox in my regular sort of browsing life. I have stuff like ad blocker. You know, a lot of ad blocking extensions. Should be fine. Alright. So, last week we did these 2 days. I should probably complete all these. Is there a dedicated admin of Cyber channel? Yes or no? And the answer is 3 letters long. Well, I'm guessing it's yes. Alright, I think I've followed you guys on all these, actually, to be fair. Oh, crap. Alright, complete this. Okay, I do know how to use TryHackMe. I've been using it for years. Nice. This is the glitch thingy. Cool. The story of this shit is really nice as well. I like it. Okay. Sarcasm? Oh, okay. I miss this. You can't, like... I don't know. I don't know if it was sarcasm or not. It didn't have a /s. It's hard to detect sarcasm in text. Tutorial about failing to log into one's Instagram account. I just stay logged into my Instagram account. What are your thoughts on the Brave browser? I have used it. I think it's on my phone. I mean, honestly, I just don't see the point a lot of the time. I have what's the other one? The other browser I use, LibreWolf. I use LibreWolf actually sometimes. I heard that was like more, I don't know, more privacy stuff. I don't know. Can you help me please with a demo about setting up Kali for way out hacking? I mean, maybe these are all good ideas for videos I could do potentially. Honestly though, if you're already on YouTube, there should be so many freaking demos for that kind of stuff. Anyway, we need to figure out what we're going to do for, like I was talking about earlier, sub goals. So currently we have a sub goal, which is every 10 subs we do a giveaway, which is great. I want to keep doing that. The giveaways every 10 subs aren't going to go away. I feel like that's a good deal. But what I want is I currently have 126 subs on Twitch. These are paid subscriptions, by the way. What I'm thinking is, what if we have a long-term sub goal of 200, and then we need to come up with ideas for what I can do at 200 subs. Like, what do we do at 200? Give me ideas, chat. And nobody suggests Mankini again. Do you use extensions on your browser? Yeah, like I'll have extensions for like I have like script blocking. I have ad blocking extensions. I have the YouTube sponsor block extension, which is life-saving. I can't believe it's taken me so long to actually start that. This is a tough one. Well, what, this one? What are you talking about? This day specifically, or something else? The 200 sub goal. I know, because it's got to be decent, right? Like, ending with Ali had 200 sub goal to watch The Matrix. So, I mean, we could just do that, but... It should be something, I don't know, interesting, I feel like. Oh, okay, you know what, Just a Guy? Screw you. Ali is super cool. I don't like the insinuation that I'm not super cool. Can you please use Dark Reader? Yeah. Don't I have it installed? I've got dark mode. I just don't think it works that well for some sites. Oh, so I have Tourette syndrome. If you're not in Twitch chat. There are commands in Twitch chat if you. So yes, I have Tourette syndrome. So if I make weird noises, that's just a thing that happens. I can't control it. Yay, neurological disorders. So maybe the XXE one. Well, we'll be doing all. The plan for today is we're going to get through as many of these tasks as possible. They're all generally supposed to be quite easy challenges, so I imagine it's not going to be that difficult. I do think the video from Bumble attracted some attention, perhaps some more interview demos like those. Yeah, we can do that. I have got my interview series getting into cybersecurity is I'm interviewing like 2 people. Is it this week or next week? God damn, I can't even remember. Next week. Yeah, I'm interviewing 2 people next week for that. I've already interviewed somebody who I need to edit their interview, and that's going to go out in January. I also have 2 more people to schedule for that, who I haven't scheduled yet. So yeah, like, you know, the interview stuff is fine. Can you explain Developer Console for end users? Yeah, I mean, Developer Console is literally just a way of interacting with the browser or the tab, kind of. So, like, the Dev Console, all this really is, it just executes JavaScript. So this is really just a JavaScript console, the actual console bit. The Inspect tab shows an interactive version of the DOM, the Document Object Model. Right, so basically it shows like different things. We know this is a div. We can like go down into like its children, etc. You can modify bits of the DOM. There's a debugger, so you can actually like hook into the JavaScript code and put what's it called? Breakpoints. The network tab literally shows you all the requests that are being sent. and you can sort of edit them and replay them and etc. It's kind of like a mini proxy sort of thing. It's not very good, but it does at least show stuff. Also used for tracking vulnerabilities? Not really. You can definitely use it to find some vulnerabilities sometimes, but it is really just a way of like interacting. It's just another interface for the web application, really. I did not know it did this though. That's kind of funny. All right. Who's the lady? Which lady? Sound and play? What did you do? Oh, interesting. It didn't. Why did that not work? Okay, hang on a minute. Trigger fire is enabled. Alerts are turned on. I don't. It's a separate alert system. Let me log into Trigger fire and see if maybe it got disconnected. I don't know. Okay, should try again. Just let me do it, because I can redeem it without actually spending channel points. Huh. I don't know why that's not working. Let me see if I can figure out the overlay setting. Where the fuck do I find the overlays? Trigger fire overlay. There we go. Okay, copy this link. Maybe the thing changed. No, it doesn't seem to. Refresh cache at current page.
Mr. Streamer!
There we go. I just had to refresh the cache. Does that work for everyone? Okay. Let's dive into the action for today. Well, we will do soon. We're still in the early stages of the stream. Last week, Cyber Monday was so cool. Thanks for the content. Thank you. So close to a wheel spin. Well, we'll figure it out.
Just Agu 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 just redeemed wheel spin.
I love it. It says just a goo. All right. Let's do a wheel spin. We'll do a wheel spin, then we'll do a marble race, probably. Alright. Wheel spin. Just a guy, or just a goo, as it says. What are we gonna do? You're probably already a VIP, right? I think just a goo is already a VIP. Maybe not. Maybe we haven't given him VIP yet. Just a guy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is that the right one? Yeah, there we go. Alright, now you're a VIP. Well done. Alright, let's do marbles. We'll do a marble race quickly. So unfortunately, this is a game that can only be played on Twitch, which is another reason why it's really nice to come to Twitch. This one is a 58-second map. Let's do it. If you are on Twitch, you can type !play in chat and join the marble race as soon as it comes up. So if you've already typed !play, like I see a few people, I don't know if you got in there already. Yeah, if some of you are early. Too early. But luckily, we give you a 60-second countdown. So come over to Twitch if you're not already on Twitch. If you have a Twitch account and you're signed in, you can come over and, you know, if you're on YouTube, and type !play, and then we'll do a little marble race, and then we'll get on with the actual content. Marble races are also how we decide who gets giveaways. Not on Twitch. I know, yeah. It's just a limitation with the software, unfortunately. This is a game designed for Twitch. But, you know, like I always say, come over to Twitch. It's a lot more fun. 100k followers the goal this time next year. I mean, hey, maybe. I honestly put the 100k one up because it was funny. But we need to figure out what else we're gonna do for the 200 subscriber thing. Maybe we just do like a, I don't know, just a longer stream. Oh, it's one of these where you have to find all of the holes. Oh my goodness, look at this. Wow, how the hell did you get over there? Oh, Dragonov. I think Dragonov's going to win it. Indeed. Did not beat the world record. World record is 32 seconds. Damn. Live hacking demo? I mean, I don't know what you mean by live hack. Like, I'm going to be hacking live in a minute. Live hacking is what we do on every stream. Oh, the fire is going to claim a few people, I fear. Well, maybe not, actually. Maybe not. Oh. Oh, just. We had a few deaths, though. This is pre-recorded hacking? Yes, absolutely. Well done, Dragonov. Okay, let's get back to the actual hacks. Did you win a date with Tibbs? No. All right, log analysis. All right, we'll get through these rooms because honestly, I have nothing. I have no real interest in doing log analysis. Do we need to start the attack box? Yes. Do we need to start the VM? Yes. All right, we'll start the machine. Out of cyber? Yes. Out of cyber. And we're going to start the attack box. Alright. Who's rapping? Nobody's rapping right now. Blue team stuffs, let's go. Ugh. Awful. Awful. Alright. What are we going to do? So we got 3 out of 9, so... What's our sub thing going to be? Choose between blue team stuff or draw 25? I would draw 25. I got no interest in the blue team side of things. 200 push-ups? That would be boring though. Why would you want to watch me do 200 push-ups? Or more accurately, why would you want to watch me fail to do 200 push-ups? Kali versus Pentu versus Parrot? I mean, honestly, the main difference is just the underlying distro. And you when to use, well, they're all hacking distros, I assume. I don't think I've heard of Pentu, but Kali and Parrot are both hacking distros, so the only reason you would actually use them is if you want to do some hacking. Why to use each? Try them all and see which ones you prefer. I personally prefer Kali. I have used Parrot. I just, I've just used Kali for so long that it just doesn't make any sense to switch. Alright, what are we going to do here? We need to come up with a good idea for a sub goal for 200. That's what we need to do. Maybe some kind of box or some kind of challenge. I don't know. Maybe just an extra long stream. What are these references to Theo? Arm wrestle with Ali? I mean, I'd have to go to New York. I mean, that's fine, I guess. I don't think she'd agree to it. I'm also fairly certain that's a very unfair fight. Alright, what are we going to do here? Alright, so we got to load this URL. Your dollars are on Ali? Wow. $5601. Oh crap. Okay. Let's mute these warnings. Use the analytics heading. Click on Discover. Okay. Collections of group logs. The stage of Operation Blue will be reviewing logs present within the Wareville Rails collection. Okay, so I guess, yeah, we have to go here. Wareville Rails. No search. No results match your search criteria. This is because no logs have been ingested within the last 50 minutes. Do not panic. Don't panic. 200 sub goal, watch a Mr. Robot episode and analyze how realistic the tactics used are. I mean, to be honest, I think Mr. Robot was a relatively well-researched series. I'm pretty sure they had actual hackers on staff, at least helping the writers as far as I'm aware. It's not like, I think, doesn't an map appear in the Matrix? To change the date and time, click the text located on the right side that has a calendar. Okay, this thing. Select absolute in the drop down. Wait, what? Oh, there, absolute. Okay, hang on. Absolute. Start date and time. Start time of October 1st. At 0000. And end time of October 1st. Oh crap, hang on. End time of October 1st at 23:30. Okay, and click update. Still think doing a science project like in middle school or high school, and maybe do it live on stream in parallel with Ali, like a volcano. These are all insane ideas. I want something that's like actually realistic to achieve. Like preferably one that doesn't involve me traveling. Okay, what are we gonna do? Yeah, blah blah blah. Okay. God, this is the problem with the dark reading mode. Is it does this?
Thank you for
like
following.
I don't know why it does this. I don't quite understand what we're supposed to be doing here, to be honest. Call Ali live on stream, do it in parallel with her like that. I mean, I just honestly don't feel like building a volcano is something that most people would want to see. Maybe I'm wrong. It's just a little weird. Alright. Investigating a web attack. Investigating a web attack. A web shell being uploaded. Ooh. Web server log. Okay, so we got web Rails selected. So we already did this. Okay. Incredibly beneficial of Elk is that we can filter out noise. The web server, especially a popular one, will likely have a large number of logs from user traffic. Completely unrelated to the attack. That's correct. Using the field panes on the left, we can click the plus, and you know what I should do? I should launch this in a separate. There we go. That's a bit better. All right. And then we can just close this, right? Exit split view. Ugh, I hate that it skips all the way to the top, though. That's really annoying. Okay. So we only want to show the IP address this. We only want to show this IP address. Will that do anything? Oh, client IP, right? This one? So I can just do plus. I think. Four, 2, 3 hits. Do we get? We got 422. That's close enough. We can combine filtering multiple fields in or out to drill down. Okay. Look for the activity of the... Oh, we need to do this IP address. Can we just modify this? We can. Look at that. Oh, crap. I copied the wrong... No, I copied it, but I didn't actually copy it into here. This is the thing you gotta do with TryHackMe. You gotta copy like this. And then it'll be copied. It'll be pastable here. There we go. Wait, what? Oh, did I not? Hang on. There we go. I didn't start the... It was... I guess all the traffic happened between 11:30. Alright, cool. Alright, so we just got to... So, how many... There's 340... Jesus. Well, we probably don't want to get requests, do we? We're probably looking for like a post request. Can we just filter out? How do we filter out stuff that doesn't contain get? There we go. Requests. Oh no, there we go. Verb. We want to filter out the get verb. So these are posts. Is there like an upload or something? I don't know. These are all just a PHP my admin. Maybe that was a mistake. Maybe we shouldn't be filtering out. The difference between get and post request. So a get request is generally what happens when you just type a URL in and press enter. Like it's get is kind of a fetch. It doesn't have a body. A post request doesn't necessarily have to have a body, but it can have a body. So post requests are generally for sending larger amounts of data to the server. And get requests are usually for just obtaining the contents of some URL. Okay, so I guess we are supposed to like look through for interesting stuff. All right, hang on. Can we just collapse that? It's really slow. I don't like how slow it is. Well, there's exploit.php. That's interesting. So all goddamn font files. CSS, map files. Ugh. Come on. This is just too much freaking JavaScript. Can I just filter out TTFs, like, specifically? Let's filter out this value, but that's... Can we edit the filter and do, like... Can we do regex? Why does that not work? Come on. Is there no, like, contains option? That's really annoying. Can I edit the query? No. Let's do this then. Not to split hairs, but the HTTP spec gets can have a body. I don't... Is that actually true? I think it... Isn't that like an implementation thing? I always thought that was an implementation. Like, some servers accept gets with bodies, but technically speaking, they're not supposed to. Can you link to the spec that says that? We're looking for bad log entries. Are you focusing more on .php or .js? So I don't really do blue team stuff, but we're doing all the days in TryHackMe Advent of Cyber. So, yeah, this didn't work because .ttf is still there. God, that's so annoying. It's really weird that you can't filter that crap out. Like, why can't you filter... Like, why can't you do, like, a regex filter? Yeah, I don't know. Oh well, we're supposed to find this stupid shell thing, right? Shell.php. We're just going to cheat and do that, because honestly I don't want to be stuck here for ages. This is boring, and apparently shell.php doesn't even exist. Come on, really? Ugh. This is the worst frickin'... Like, what is this? Why can't I... Why can't I just add a very simple search? How do blue teamers do their jobs? I feel so bad. Yeah, can I just do shell.php like this then? But then I can't click add this as a custom option. I don't know what's... Okay, now I can. I just have to press enter. That's weird. No. Oh, wait. Is it literally... Why is it doing a space after it? Oh my god, this is so annoying. Anyone want to help? Maybe all our people... It doesn't say that. It tells me to use this. It told me to use these... Like, we're supposed to be filtering on this IP address. I just don't understand how we're supposed to find this damn thing. Like, how would you, as a blue team, even find this if you can't filter it? Source IP or client IP? Client IP, but it told me to use client IP. Like, I've followed the instructions. Click on client IP. And then it was like this IP address. 10.998.230. 10.998.230. We're just looking at this client IP. The times have been set correctly. I don't understand. All I want to do is just search for like, can you just search for this using this filter? That's all I want to know. Like, can I search for Roboto? What happens? Yes, what the heck? So shell doesn't work? Okay, this is just broken then, but I don't understand what's going on. Let's just disable the client IP. No, it's just not working. I don't understand. If you search for Roboto, it will literally give you this. But shell literally doesn't do shit. Why? Shell... Oh, so I'm sorry, I can't search for 5-letter words?
Thank you for
So I can't search for robot either? Wow. I am so sorry to any blue teamers who have to use this for their drop. I feel so bad for you. Literally can't search for things that are 5 letters long. My God. No wonder it wasn't bloody working. Alright, well, we have this silly thing, I guess. Sysadmins I would count as blue teamers. Okay. Message. Yeah, I mean, this is kind of dumb, though. Like, so if I do message but just shell, will that work as well? Like, do you have to literally do a syntax? Oh my God. Message. Can I do that? Will that work? No. But shell dot will, because it's 6 characters. No, it won't. Okay. How many characters minimum? Has to be the whole thing? That's so weird. Anyway. Alright. Okay, we've done that, I guess. What do we actually need to do for the questions? Because... Alright, where was the web shell uploaded to? Okay, well, it was uploaded to this directory. Oh, it does copy that way. Nice. No. Oh, directory. Crap. No, wait, what? Hang on. 1, 2, 3... So, this one then. No, this is 565. I'm so confused. Where was the web shell uploaded to? They're asking for the other... Oh, okay. Did we not... Practical. Oh, there we go. Thank you. I'm just trying to get out of this goddamn lab. Okay. And... are we on the right one? 232? Yeah. You must access command to investigate hack, then you will proceed to Frosty Pines. Okay, so we still need to do this. There's a different date. October 3rd. Okay. October 3rd, between the hours of 2300, 2330, and October 3rd at... wait, hang on. Oh no, just 11:30, not even... okay. 11:30 and 12. Update. Oh my god, okay. Alright, let's just try shell.php again. There we go. Alright, so we've got media / image / rooms. Unauthorized? What? Am I not signed in? How did I start my room if I'm not signed in? How did I get logged out? This is already turning into a chaos day. I don't understand. How was I logged out? I utter chaos, this. Utter absolute chaos. Love it. I'm not a robot. I will show you the screen in a sec. Just we've gone dark so I can sign in. There we go. Alright, now I can go back. No, I don't want to go back one page. I'm holding down so I can go back to this. I mean, I still have everything running, thankfully, I think. My god. Alright, it's confusing. Here we go. Alright. All the way down. Okay, I gotta remember, don't paste! Do not paste the answer in the answer thing because it has my password still there. Alright, we need to copy this properly. Let's, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna go dark just to make sure it hasn't just copied my password. There we go. Alright, we're good. We're good. Not gonna surrender my account today. Not today, Satan. What is the IP address? Access the web shell. All right, I think it's client IP we want, right? This one. Today isn't related to the reverse shell. Ugh. Contents of... oh wait, what? Okay, so that's not the client IP then. Is it this? Oh, come on. Good. Flag.txt. So this is the red team aspect, right? So we actually have to do this now. We have to go to the Frosty Pines website. Okay, I accidentally did not mean to do that. Copy this, paste it here, and then we can paste it in here. Boom. Okay. Should we open just port? Should we just open burp? All right. Good news. We're almost, I feel, through day one. Or not day one, but day, what is it? Which day is this? Day 3. And we only have 6 more to go. We may not get through this. We may not be able to get through this all in one stream. Okay. Start burp. I still need ideas. I still need ideas for the 200 sub goal. Give me an idea. An idea, chat. Come on. $800. You can't give me stupid ideas. I want decent ideas. Oh, we're gonna do this stupid thing. That's a great idea. No, it's not. You were trying to kill me? The sugar intake alone on that would literally send me into some kind of shock. Where's the browser again? I can't remember where the fucking browser is. Oh, it literally tell me. I just ignore the fucking error message. Settings burps browser. Oh, it's literally a burps browser option. There it is. Didn't even see it. Allow it to run without a sandbox. Good marketing. It doesn't have to be a marketing idea. It's more for you guys. What you can scrape with burp and how it works exactly. Burp is just a proxy. It can handle basically all web traffic, so you can literally attack web apps with it. I don't know why I just opened Firefox in here. That's not what we wanted to do. Alright. One thing we do want to do, though, is I can just copy it from here, right? Yeah, frostypines.thm is what we want to go to. So if we do close this. Don't want to type Gemini to chat with Gemini. Jesus, why is AI everywhere? frostypines.thm. Okay. So, we need to apparently find out how this attack works, I guess. Do we just sign up for an account? Okay. 1@1.com test. Okay, we're signed in as some name. Wait, what? There we go. Oh my god, this is terrible. Are we just supposed to go here? It said recreate the attack. I wasn't sure if they meant like, oh, we're literally just supposed to do this. Maybe I should read the damn instructions. Recreate the attack. Why did the browser close? That's my question. Like, why did this... Oh, there it is. It didn't close. It's just I'm an idiot. So yeah, we need to literally... Okay, I guess we just need to figure out how it uploaded. So yep. I really hate this interface. I really do. I imagine you have to log in as the admin. There we go. Is this a post request? Post to user login. That might. But it doesn't show you the contents of the post because that's not what's logged. I'd make a terrible blue teamer. Want to actually teach how to use a tool like Burp? I mean, I feel like if you watch enough, then yeah. Public me. Oh, so hang on. Maybe. Oh, wait a minute. Where's. God damn it. Where the hell. No, that's not it. There. Okay, so hang on. God damn it. Media. Public media. So it is in public. Not punlic. Or if not, okay. I'm honestly, TryHackMe usually does a really good job at walking through this crap, but so we have to go to the administrator, I guess. Do we? So do we literally just go to administrator? And this is really annoying. So it's really annoying having. This is my toolbar, and then there's no toolbar in this view. Well, there kind of is. It's just very confusing. So I think, do we just go to admin? Yeah. Okay. There's no authentication on the admin page. All right. That makes more sense. Okay, and can we edit any of this? Oh, why is it so badly designed? Well, I don't know if we can edit, but we can definitely add a new room. And there's the image. All right, and we can presumably just choose any old image, right? So if I can't go there, can't go here, great. Let's just go over desktop. Shell.php. Let's just use a. Oh my god! Really? Come on. I guess I can just do this. Shell exec. I'll do echo shell exec. Or maybe I'll just do system. I don't know why I'm even doing that. Let's just do system because that's easier. Get. CMD. Oh my god. Can't type. Oh my god. That was definitely a freaking parenthesis. Okay, let's do this. Now the question is, can I just literally choose any file? All files, please. Just let me upload this goddamn thing. Add room. Okay, and then what we do is probably just open one of these images And then choose shell.php. And then we can just do cmd equals ID, right? Like, fuck. It's doubled because I echoed. You don't de-echo. Alright. Let's go view page source. Flag.txt is there, so we can just cat flag.txt. Well, to be honest, we could just probably just call flag.txt from the web browser. Glitch was here. Alright. Wow, that was tricky as fuck. Alright. We've successfully, an hour and 20 minutes into the stream, we have successfully completed one room. That was challenging. To be honest, I imagine if you read all this, it made more sense, but I don't like reading stuff. I hate reading. Wheel spin. There we go. I'm glad you saved that for when we actually...
Wheel spin.
When we actually stopped doing stuff. I don't know why I scrolled all the way up just to close something. I could have just clicked on the next one. Can I just stop the machine? Oh, it's already stopped. That's interesting. Okay. All right. Let's do the wheel spin. Wheel spin for Beastie Things. We'll give sub to chat. There we go. This is basically me giving myself $3. I spent $6 to give myself $3.
Dispensing gratitude. Gratitude
Hey,
dispensed.
Dragonov 308. There you go. You get a nice,
New subscription received.
a nice
Dispensing
gift sub.
gratitude. Gratitude dispensed.
I don't know why it says it twice. All right. Day 4. I'm all atomic inside. Cyber Maddie did the video for this one, I guess. Learn how to identify malicious techniques using the MITRE ATT and CK framework. Learn how to use atomic red team tests.
Agent underscore 57 underscore just redeemed word ban. Cyber.
Okay. We're gonna ban. So here's how this works. If you've never done the stream before, we have a list of words. So the idea behind the word ban is that when the timer starts, I will not be able to say that word for 5 minutes. If I do say it in those 5 minutes while the timer is on the screen, that word is cyber. I can still say it right now because the timer is not active. When the timer is on the screen, if I say the word cyber, that means we do a marble race with a giveaway. Okay? Also, the other rule is once a word is banned, it cannot be banned again. So that's just to save people from banning the same easy word. Like the first word banned was okay, and do, and thing, and and will, and sim. Like there's just so once a word has been banned, it cannot ever be banned again. So eventually we will run out
Thank
of
you for
words to ban.
following.
But let's get the timer. I just want to check something. Okay, now let me activate the actual banned text. There we go. Banned word at the top there. Thing is, I don't have to answer your question, Dragonov. Who did the official video for day 4? Maddie. Why can't I start the machine? Yes, I do want to terminate. Honestly, scrolling up is the most annoying thing. So yeah, here you go. Maddie did the video, look. What are we doing today? We're doing this. Okay, so... We don't need to start the attack box. Advent of InfoSec, that's what we're doing. Yes, Dragonov, I do like her videos. I'm honestly surprised we haven't had that word banned before. Anyway. What word? The word that's up there, look. It's right next to the timer. And by her, who are you referring to? Maddie! I mean, the sub trick was nice. It got me subs. What's her channel name? I mean, if you don't know it already. Is there a limit of characters for the word banned? No, but I would imagine if you type a really long word, what's the chance of me even saying it? How often do you stream? Usually 3 hours. Oh, min limit. No, there's no limit. So I've had okay, do, can, cat, q, because they wanted me to stop saying SQL. So they banned firstly they banned SQL, then they banned Q and L. And now they've banned that word that's right now up there. So yeah, but the problem is the rule is once a word is banned, it can never be banned again. All right? So you can't just say okay. Did I buy anything on Black Friday? Oh, I almost said it. I said sigh. I didn't. I caught myself. That was a good one. That was a very good one. See? You almost had me there. But I did. I bought a laptop. I did not say the full word. No, that's not how that works.
Thank you for following.
Someone clip it. I did not say the full word, I swear. I said Saib. I mean, maybe we should... Someone clip it and see. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. If I'm wrong, that's fine, but I don't think I said the full word. There we go. We got through it. Maybe we got through it. Someone has to tell me if I said the whole... Someone clip it. Alright, what are we going to do here? So, I've never used this, whatever this thing is. I bought a MacBook. I generally only use Macs, apart from my main PC. So I bought a MacBook Pro 14-inch with a... It wasn't like the beefiest one, but I think it's like the second beefiest. Because honestly, I don't use it that often.
Ronin1N just redeemed word ban.
Alright. That is technically a word. Alright, hang on. Let's... Banned word is now I. And we will start the timer. This is going to be tricky. This is going to be super tricky.
Dead 2 just redeemed wheel spin.
Okay. We will do a wheel spin. Oh, look, a marble race. Let's do a marble race. Here's the thing. It's only that specific word that's banned. I'm allowed to say I'm because that's a contraction. Exclamation point play in chat if you want to play in the marble race. I'm checking every word that's going to come out of my mouth because this is a tricky one. 60-second countdown. What's the word? It doesn't show up on this thing. Sorry. The title of my stream doesn't contain that word, though. Okay. Beastie Thinks is in the lead. Dan Slow taking first place. Tiberius sometimes wins. Beastie Thinks won. Well done. This might be the hardest word. It's so tempting to say. Pebble. Oh, thank fuck. Okay. That was a hard one.
MSSQQQ just redeemed wheel spin.
Oh, God. Alright, at least we can't ban the word I again. Alright, we got a wheel spin. Wait, what? Screen, come on, there we go. Did you beat the world record? Oh, let me check, actually. No, the world record is 59 seconds. Alright, this is a wheel spin for MSSQQQ. Rubik's Cube solved. Alright. We will eventually do this box. Maybe we'll end the day on the XXE. That might be interesting. Alright, hang on a minute. Webcam, please. Alright. Maybe if I... Is that better? She's a little bit... No. I'm is not the same word as I. Let's get one thing straight. That's not cheating. Those are totally different words. The rules are pretty clear, I feel. Anyway, let me scramble this damn thing. All right, it's scrambled. Almost there. There we go. We're solved. All right. Good. I don't want that. There we go. Okay. I don't know what the heck we're doing here, to be honest with you. I've never used this atomic thing. I don't know what an atomic is. Should have probably watched the video. Okay. Do we really need to read all this? I guess we have to just run through this, right? Alright, should we actually read and learn some crap? Okay. Bottleneck, thank you for subscribing with Prime. Oh, that's the point. Well, I have everybody. If you haven't yet sent me your address, I'll be sending out the lockpicks. Well, as many of the lockpicks as I can this week for the giveaways that we had. I think I still need the Knob's address and Highcap PL's address. If you're in chat, check your Twitch. I did whisper it to you. I have MSSQQ, Arubius, and Bottleneck. So yeah. I'll be sending them out probably tomorrow. Maybe Wednesday. The giveaway, I did a giveaway on stream, so Jimmy Longs graciously donated 5 lockpick sets for me to give away on stream. We have a starter set, 2 basic sets, and 2 intermediate sets. It was like $100 giveaway total, I think. Possibly more. Because the intermediate sets were $30 each. So yeah. But I will be sending them out on Wednesday, I imagine. After that, you're going to have to wait for a bit because I'm going to HushCon. There was 2 streams.
Thank you for following.
UK. Yeah, you would have. I'm sending one to the UK. You can ship lockpicks to the UK. As far as I'm aware. Alright. We will rarely be able to detect every attack or step in with an attack kill chain. This is a reality that all blue teams face. There are gaps in the detection. Detection gaps are usually for one of 2 reasons. Security is a cat and mouse game. The line between anomalous and expected behavior is often very fine. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Atomic Red. The Atomic Red Team library is a collection of red team test cases that are mapped to the MITRE attack framework. The library consists of simple test cases that can be executed by any blue team to test for detection gaps and help close them down. The library also supports automation, where the techniques can be automatically executed. However, it is also possible to execute them manually. Mix City has a vague idea of what happened to the compromised machine. It seems someone tried to use the Atomic Red Team to emulate an attack without permission. The perpetrator did not clean up the test artifacts. Let's have a look at what happened.
Thank you for following.
Okay, so we need to open up a PowerShell as administrator. This is a cool room? Alright. Get, help, invoke, atomic test. Thank you for the following, Online Andy and that dude Tyler. Help only shows what parameters are available. Okay. Blah, 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 blah. Alright. We can build our first command now that we know what parameters are available. We would like to know more about what exactly happens when we test the technique T1566.001. Wow, they have imaginative names, don't they? Okay, so we're going to run it. Take out this. T1566.001 show details. Is it show details? Path to. So I can't do that. Okay, atomics folder equals C tools atomic red team atomics. Wait, what? No, atomics. Wait, what? Is this all one word? I'm just going to copy this and see what the heck's going on. I don't know, that is that. I don't understand what's going on. Why isn't it all working? Oh, because atomic test maybe needs a capital T? No? What am I doing wrong? Path to atomics folder. Anyone understand what the heck I've done wrong here? Everything... What? Maybe I just do... Oh my god, that wasn't part of the command? I guess I could have just looked up here. Yes, I'm an idiot. This just looked like it was part of the command for some reason. God damn it, I'm... Alright, we're gonna cut that out of the video. Alright. That was confusing. It looked like this was just going on here. I didn't realize it was this. This is why I hate this syntax. Like, at least show the whole fucking thing. Don't clip that! I've never used this before. It looked like it was like the next line. It looked like it was just... It was following on. Anyway, I figured it out. We're good. Alright. Before running the emulation, we should ensure that all required resources are in place to conduct it successfully. To verify this, we need to do check pre... Oh wait, hang on, we need to do test numbers. One. Check prereqs, or prereq. Okay. Now that we've verified dependencies, let us continue with the emulation. So we just have to delete the check prereqs. Okay. We downloaded the macro-enabled phishing attachment. Now, analyze the logs in the Windows Event Viewer. Okay. Make it easy, we will clean up the files. That's clean up. That's not what we want to do. We want to clean up. Okay, we cleaned it up. Now we can go to the event viewer. So I think you can just type right. Thanks, Agent 57. Appreciate you clipping that. All right. Right-click operational. Wait, what? Hang on. Did I not go to the right one? Yeah. Okay. Hang on. Oh no, I did do it. Event viewer. Navigate to app. Oh, application. Oh, here we go. I missed this bit. Application services, Microsoft, Windows, Sysmon. There it is. Operational. Right-click operational on the left side of the screen. Don't know why I thought that was left. And click clear log. Clear. Now that we've cleaned up files, let's run the emulation again. Okay. Now go back to the event viewer. Right-click, refresh. Ooh, look, we have logs. Okay. Sort the table by date and time. Order the events chronologically. Oldest first. Okay. First two events on the list are tests that Atomic executes for every emulation. We are interested in two events that detail the attack. First, a process was created for PowerShell. Yeah. Oh wait, I'm not even at the top one. There's the PowerShell. Yeah, invoke web request, okay. So doesn't this, yeah, this saves it. This is all one command, right? Navigate to the directory. Okay. Users administrator to app data local temp. Open the file phishing attachment.txt. Hooray! We found a flag. Submit. Okay, good. Let's clean up the artifacts, okay. When red tries to be blue, you know what? Shut up. Alright. Previous paragraph, we found multiple indicators of compromise. We can use this information to create detection rules. Okay. Two events contain possible indicators of compromise. The event web request. It's not common for web requests to run from a script behind the scenes. I mean, really? I would have thought that might just trigger so many different... Let's just trigger on so many, like, completely innocuous requests. Alright. What attack technique ID would be our point of interest? Well, was that the... Is that just T1566? Nope. I don't know what it means by attack ID. Well, this was the T1566.001. Oh, identify the correct atomic test. I should probably read, that would be helpful. Okay. Well, I guess we can just use ATT and CK command and scripting interpreter. 1059. There we go. 1059. Windows command shell. .059.003. Okay, so we want to run this one then, I guess. Or at least what we want to do is show details, right? We're just going to run this command again. 1059.003. Okay. So the answer format here is interesting. What is the name of the atomic test to be simulated? I don't know. What? I'm going to use the hint because I don't know what they're asking for here. Look for atomic test names in regards to malware. Well, I mean, there's the atomic test name. Hang on. But that doesn't look... Oh, there's more test names. Oh, for fuck's sake. Okay. That's a really dumb question because there's so many. So we're looking for basically 3 long words followed by a 5-letter word. It's this one. Simulate Black Byte ransomware bombing. Like, just guesswork. What is the name of the file used in this test? Is it this one? Wareville ransomware.txt? Oh, I need to... Well, I probably should do the... Well, it had an extra space in there, but luckily. What flag found in this atomic test? So we have to run it and then look at this. I guess we have to look at this. No, we can just open this, right? We can just go to C Tools, Atomics 1059.003. Source Wareville ransom, right? Yeah, there we go. This though, this looks like looks like a hidden thing. Hang on. Yeah, that's
Thank
a base
you for
64
following.
encoded. That's a little Easter egg. Look, there's a little Easter egg there. Because I don't think that was, yeah. Maybe there was a hint that says, oh, by the way, it's base 64. Nope. All right, we got to XXE. I don't know why I'm scrolling down still. All right, let's shut down this machine. Terminate machine. Yes, I do want to terminate it. Okay, finally we get to a good one. God, these are so tricky. Like, I don't know. Not necessarily tricky, but just nightmarish. We're gonna destroy the attack box for now. Oh my god, why did it do that? Alright. I haven't been paying attention to chat because this has been ridiculous. The side quests are crazy. I haven't even tried the side quests. Yeah, blue teaming just seemed like a nightmare. Alright, anyway. We do need to start the machine, we also need to start the attack box. Although maybe I'm just gonna use the VPN, to be honest. Two secs, just want to check something.
Thank you for following.
Alright. Appreciate wait, hang on. I keep getting alerts that people are oh, maybe it's on YouTube. I forget I have the notification follower for YouTube as well.
True 2 Jan just redeemed cat time. The first cat you see.
First guy I see. Alright. Oh goodness.
Fix it 42 just redeemed cat time. We need a cat break.
Two cats now? Alright. Okay. I will go get I'll go get the first cat I see and then fix it. What cat do you want? Or do you want to see what cat I return with first? Alright. I'll be right back with a cat. First cat I saw was Poe. Hang on. Here you go, baby. Say hi. Mwah. The last one you see. That'll be Raven, because I saw Arya. Alright. I will go try and find Raven then. Well, I couldn't find Raven. You're gonna have to get Arya. But she's pretty sleepy and old. So she can't stay for long. Hey, baby. Yeah, she's struggling. Alright.
Thank you for following.
I gotta take it downstairs. Okay. Okay. We back. Right, let's yeah. Restart the machine. Let's open the browser. Let's see if we can figure this one out. Because XXE is something I know a lot about. And I showed David Bomble some XXE tips. Go watch the video, it's great. But okay, just make sure we're proxying okay. Excellent, we are. View. Product ID, I mean. Add to wish list. There's a post request. Oh, look, some XML. Lovely. Right click, send to repeater. So. This item already exists in your wish list. What happens if we change product ID to 2? Does it... Interesting. So the question is, can we go to wish lists? Or is it like cart?
Thank you for following.
What happens if we do something like 1337? Product not found. Okay. What about this? User test. Aha! Or not. What's the significance of 1337? It's leet.
Thank
in
you
leet
for
speak.
following.
Okay. So I wonder if this is... Okay, I mean, firstly, we should at least try some basic XXE payloads. And just see what... Because the thing is, we're not getting anything returned. Hey, Phone Machina. So we're not getting anything returned from... Oh, God. The value. So, like, usually what you want... So, we're just going to copy this. We can modify some crap. So, we don't have to update this, but we can do this. Let's do user ID. Or just user, I guess. Take out system for now. Let's just try Tiberius. And then if I do ampersand user. So this was just a 1. I think it would work. Yeah, item is already in your wish list. So is this the case? So, Let's just try something stupid, like let's just try accessing Etsy password or something. No. Okay, what 1, and then just try user down here. Okay. Oh, the project is in oh, that makes sense. All right, so if we'd done, literally, if we'd taken out that, because I was just trying random values. Gotcha, okay.
Thank you for following.
So I should have probably just tried something like test in there at first, and then it would say the product ID test is invalid, and then you'd be like, oh, okay, that's reflective. That's what I was wondering, like, why is nothing's reflective? Okay. So we have like a home TryHackMe user. I wonder if we can just get like home. What happens if we just send home TryHackMe? Does it do like directory listing? No. Okay, can we just do .bash history or something? No. Do we get bash rc? Be able to pass XML. So there is a bash rc file, but it's got some weird characters in it. SSH RDRSA maybe? That'd be fun. No. I imagine then. I mean, we could try something like stupid like proc self. Is it CWD? I think it is current working directory, right? Wishlist.php. Index.php. We could try also PHP filters. Which I imagine there's a PHP wrapper, yeah. We could try this. Because this is a PHP system. But it is a PHP parser. Index.php. Lovely. Alright. Do. So shove that in there. Okay. Let's include con.php then instead. This is where I shine. Here we go. So we're going to do this. We can go back. We're going to open up a new tab. And we're just going to do base64 decoding again. All right. So now we have like TryHackMe shopping app. Do you see XXC often in the world? Not as often as you used to. All right. So what other con.php is there? We got header, navbar, footer. Like, we could potentially just do cart.php or product.php, actually. We haven't even tried product.php. We should try that. Yeah, the HackVerter extension is awesome because you can also use it in Intruder and Repeater. Like, let me actually show you how cool it is. Decode base64. So, like, yeah, for example, let's say you had some kind of ID equals test, whatever. Let's say you wanted to base64 encode this value, or you had some value that you just wanted to repeatedly base64 encode. What you could do is you can just go, okay, well, what's the base64 encoding syntax of HackVerter? It's this. And then you just paste that in here, and then do test, click send, and then if you go to logger, oh look, it's base64 encoded it. And obviously, in this case, because there's equal signs, you really want to URL encode that. Okay, well, what's the URL encoding syntax, right? If you go across to URL encode, it's this. So what we can do is we can just copy this one here, and we can put it in. So basically, surround everything by URL encode tags. Make sure you do the slash as well. I think is it @/? Yeah, it's @/. And then if we send that and go to logger, it gets URL encoded as well. So it's even cooler. And that works in Intruder as well. So you can literally, if Intruder doesn't support what you need to do in terms of like encoding, you can just do that. Yeah, I mean, the thing is, yeah, I'm in my element because I literally have written huge presentations on this kind of crap. Okay, I'm going to go back there because honestly, I feel like we've obviously done it. I don't know, there might be a specific thing that we want to extract. I don't know what it actually wants us to do. Okay, so right, so there's a wish is wish one. All right, is that all we need to get? Navigating through the wishes. Yeah, so you had to discover all this crap, I guess. We don't need PHP filters for this though. Okay. No, Hackbird is in the community edition. Do I just need to keep going, or is there going to be... Do I need to iterate? Okay, well, I guess we're going to iterate. So we're going to send this to Intruder. I'm going to add a thing here. Oh, crap, I'm not going to add a thing here. I'm going to select this. And we're going to go simple list, numbers, 0 to 100, increment by 1 each time, decimal, lovely. And then just start the attack, I think. And we're going to check the length. There we go. Going up to equip payload 15. Oh, we were close anyway, but... Okay. Conclusion. Changelog file exists. Okay. What flag is seen on the possible proof of... Okay, so we need to just check the changelog file. There we go. Now malware is a bit dumb, leaving a freaking flag that says he backdoored a system. I feel like I could have done like more for this room. Like maybe it's a bit harder if you haven't done XXC, I guess. But how do you remove the license to text in burp? I have a special extension called anti-doxing, which I wrote, so it doesn't dox me. Yeah, it literally just latches onto the J-frame, like the parent J-frame, and then does a, like it grabs the title and just like, so it doesn't grab specifically my name. It grabs specifically the license to like that whole string, and just replaces it with nothing. And you only if you load it once, it just works, and then it's fine. The only issue is, and you'll notice this, I never opened Burp Suite from scratch on stream. Like when you open Burp Suite, like the project thing that comes up, you can't. That has your name in it, so you can't, and no plugins have loaded at that point, so you can't edit that. But yeah, I know a few streamers have used it. I think Siren used it as well. All right. Well, that's good. In Burp Suite, there's an impact on sister count in the extensions tab. Honestly, like impact on system is a lot of guesswork. I'm pretty sure I have close to 40 extensions loaded at work. Well, it says it's low here, system impact. So I don't know exactly what that's about. I'm fairly certain it's just a bunch of guesswork. But Hackverter is basically like Decoder, but on steroids. Like, Decoder is awful. Hackverter is amazing. And the fact that you can like code your own, I forget what it is. I forget how you develop your own, but you can like write them in. Oh, yeah, custom thing. You can write them in like JavaScript, I believe. We still need to figure out a We still need to figure out what we're gonna do at 200 subs. What do people really want to see? Maybe we don't even have to do like a tech stream. Maybe we can just do something fun. I don't know. How many subs do I have? 131. It's going to be like a long-term goal. I just want something to work towards. Like the 10K was what we were working towards before, right? So I want like a long-term sub goal. Like it would be nice to get to 200 at some point. But yeah, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do, chat? Yeah, I did. I have 131 subs on Twitch, so 200 is a nice number to aim for. I don't think it's that unrealistic. I have 131. Pretty sure I could get to 200 at some point if I'm consistent. But I want always suggest GraphQL hacking in lack of ideas. Well, it's the thing. Like, we can do a GraphQL hacking stream on Wednesdays. Like, I don't mind. We've done it before, so I want something that's like big. Like, I want people to like the whole idea of a sub goal is you promise something that's kind of extra, right? Because then people are encouraged to subscribe in order to try and see that, yeah? So we want something big. You know, whether that's like I don't know. Like there could be like a 12-hour stream, you know? Where we just randomly do like we play games. Android reverse engineering. That would be interesting because I could get hang on, does I'm trying to remember, hang on. Does Laurie Wired do Android? I always forget if she's I think she does do Android. Yeah, I was kind of confused between her and Cerberus, right? Like that would be interesting if I could get her involved and be like, "Hey, like, do you want to like do a stream where you teach me how to do basic Android reverse engineering?" Because I do know Java, and I presume that's what she'll do as well. How knowledgeable are you in the hardware space? Would you ever consider doing hardware firmware hacking? I'm not very knowledgeable about it. I'm absolutely fine with learning stuff on stream. But the issue is always going to be like getting that set up. Like that would involve presumably a another like setup. Recon on bug bounty. Like, the issue is I don't really do much bug bounty. But that might be interesting as well if I get Jason Haddock. Like, that's the advantage of being a content creator is I do have connections. So I could literally go... I could send a DM to Laurie and ask if that would be something she'd be interested in. I could send a DM to Jason Haddocks. The issue is, obviously, Jason Haddocks does his paid course. So it would have to be like... Hey, you want to come on my stream and like just teach me some super basics? Good place to read bug bounty reports. I think there are a bunch of Twitter accounts that like that disclose publicly available bug bounty reports, right? I think. Raspberry Pi setup would be simple. But you said like hardware and firmware. Like, so what exactly do you mean by hardware and firmware, I guess? Okay, so how about this? Why don't we start a new sub goal of... Okay, we've got 2 more subs to go. So what we'll do is we'll do 2... So 100... Remember 130... 133 subs equals giveaway. So we're going to end the sub goal. And then we'll set up a new one for total subs 200. And then it's going to be Android Rev Eng or Bug Bounty Recon. Okay. And I'll try and get that organized. Because that at least gives me... I'm sure one of them will say yes. But here's how it'll work. If we get... So we'll still do it every 10. We were 2 away... We were 2 subscribers away from the giveaway. So what's going to happen? It's currently 131. I've made a note. Once we get to 133 subs, we do a giveaway. At that point, what we'll do is it'll be every 10 subs on the 10s. So you technically get 3 gifted. You get 3 for free because it'll be the next 7. So 133 we'll do a marble race, and then 140 we'll do a marble race. All right. And we'll keep that up. Inside a PhD would be, yeah, I know Inside a PhD. I actually visited her when I was in the UK the last time. So yeah, that'd be cool. I should probably switch back to my webcam to chat because I think we're done with TryHackMe for now. Because honestly, like the blue team stuff is so freaking complicated. We can just chat for a bit, but yeah, what was I gonna say? So Wednesday there should be a stream. It may be a shorter stream though because I'm flying out Thursday morning. For HushCon. And then next Monday there will not be a stream because I'll still be in Seattle. Okay. I should be back for Wednesday. And then the 23rd, mark this in your calendars. 23rd will be different. 23rd December, 2 days before Christmas, there will not be a Cyber Mentoring Monday stream. The stream will not start at 2 p.m. It's going to start at about 4 p.m. 4 p.m. Eastern, okay? So, sorry for everyone living in Europe. It's going to be a later stream, but it's going to be fun. I could, but I'm not going to tell you what it is just yet. I'll probably release some more information next week. But it's going to be a fun stream, and you'll want to come watch, is all I'm going to say. So yeah. I wonder if there's anyone we can raid. We're not going to raid anyone yet, but I'm just going to look. The Black Hack knock is on. What? Is that for like... Which Black Hat is that? Is that London? Singapore. It's completely empty right now. All right. Well, is there anyone else on Twitch? Kitty Burrito is streaming. We may just raid Kitty then. We do enjoy raiding Kitty. Kitty is a friend of the stream. It's London? Oh, okay. Because I knew there was I can't remember if it was Black Hat London or if it was B-Sides London. I think it's B-Sides London's recent, right? I think B-Sides London is... Yeah, in a few days. I'm guessing Black Hat London is soon as well, and... Oh, it's Black Hat Europe. Oh, it starts today. That makes sense. Black Hat is always expensive. That's why I don't go to Black Hat. I don't see the point. It's definitely the corporate convention. It's not, you know... It's super corporate-y. I just don't see the point in going. But, there you go. Well, I don't really have anything else other than... Yeah, definitely go check out the video. Because it gave me a nice boost in subscribers. Which is still going on, which is quite nice. I don't know if it'll give me enough of a boost to get me to the 20k by the end of the year, because 20k by the end of the year we were going to do the hot tib stream. If you ever do talks in the UK, we'd love to come by. I honestly don't visit the UK that often. I'm coming in February, but only for like 3 days. So, like, it's just such a long freaking trip. Yeah. Any other questions before we go? It Tibbs.
Thank you
it
for
is.
following.
Yeah, that was the follows, right? So yeah, I get follows from YouTube. I might just turn that off. How long do you sleep today? Huh? I slept for quite a bit. Favorite board game? That's a good question. I'd probably have to go with Carcassonne. So you never played Carcassonne, it's amazing. Maybe I can... This is such a good game. Monopoly? God damn it. Can't say that. Come on. Don't say Monopoly. Nobody's favorite game should be Monopoly. Do you know Populous at the beginning? No. Anyway, Carcassonne is awesome. I love Carcassonne. I also, yeah, I have been floating the idea of starting like a board game club. With or without the bishops? You have to have the bishops. You mean with the monasteries? The thing about monasteries in Carcassonne is they're big game, but they're also like high risk, high reward. Because in order for you, because if you place a monastery and you place one of your meeple on it, it's there until it's fully surrounded. So you could potentially lose it for the rest of the game. Like the advantage is you do score all the tiles at the end of the game. But in a game where you want to like be, you know, where if you run out of meeple in your hand, you cannot do anything other than place tiles. That's like, it's a risk. I don't know if it's called Brettspiel anywhere else. This is a French game. Can we make a hacking Monopoly game? Why don't we like we can make a proper game instead of just using like Monopoly is an awful game. If you play I've never played with a rule of 3 cards. That doesn't sound good to me at all. That doesn't even sound like a very good house rule. Like part of the cool thing about Carcassonne is like the luck of the draw and being able to sort of build up your territory so that you can. It doesn't really matter what you get. I've never heard of the three cards in the hand. It is? It's an official part of the game? Really? Interesting. Never played it like that. Not sure I'm a fan. And stealing farms and cities easier is not. I feel like it's not something you should be able to do. Like it should be hard to steal fields and cities. Like it's like the backstabby move of the game, but it should definitely be hard. Anyway. All right, let's raid Kitty Burrito. Pieces thrown around because of this. Yeah, I can imagine. All right, we're gonna raid Kitty Burrito. How's it going? Good, thank you. But you just caught us at the end of the stream. Thank you for following. We're gonna raid Kitty Burrito. She is not a cybersecurity person, but she's a gamer that we I don't know. A bunch of the cybersecurity streamers just like raiding her, and she likes it when we raid her. So there we go. So she's a friend of the stream. Say hi to Kitty Burrito for us. Yeah. I will see you guys on Wednesday. All right, bye. Oh, hang on. I should probably put the stream ending up, right? That would probably help. Because there's my socials. Anyway, we're gonna raid right now, so see you later.